Good morning everyone. I am presenting research paper on market survey on consumption patterns of street food products in Prayagraj district. Analysis of populace response was done by descriptive analysis and GIS multivariate choropleth mapping. This research was done by Mr. Manoj Kumar, MSc thesis student under my guidance. Street food is defined by various authorities, but the central characteristic of street food, definition wise, is their retail location, that is, on the street. Street food can be a full meal, beverage, or a snack. The street food trade is distinctive because it is an informal sector which is comprised of manufacture and or street food sellers who are small scale operatives or micro entrepreneurs. Since speedily rising urban population in developing countries has not been employed in the formal organized labor market, it has gave rise to a range of self-employed income generating small scale activity, both legitimate and illegitimate, which structure the informal sector, also now and then known as tertiary sector or bazaar economy. Very little is known about the street food and fast food consumption in Prayagraj district. Despite this being a large sector of the national economy in terms of employment provided and sales of food, so market survey on consumption pattern of street food products in Prayagraj district was conducted. Materials and method. The tool for research was questionnaire. The questionnaire was developed, and this study has been conducted online. Means the questionnaire was distributed online on social platforms. The form was sent to 350 people. Out of 350, only 200 people responded and participated in the survey. Hence, the sample size has been taken as 200. Results and discussion. It is affirmed fact that researcher needs a significantly unanimous sample to illustrate any meaningful conclusion statistically. When a sample has several socio-demographic subgroups, it may trim samples slide down to a collection of less relevant sample. In the luminosity of this central fact, socio-demographic profile of the respondents of this research is pertinent as most of the respondents belong to same socio-demographic profile, that is non or part-time working, college-going students, unmarried middle-class males from North Indian nuclear families. So, the data taken from this sample is suitable to illustrate momentous conclusions. As we can see that 91.5% respondents liked street food. Then among chaat product, aloo tikki chaat topped with 54.5%, bun makhan with 86%. In samosa product, because samosa is the singular entity and the main product, people like or respondents liked samosa 73%, but chola samosa, masala samosa, and all type of samosas were liked. So samosa products were the most popular product among the street foods. Then in kachori products, kachori sabzi topped with 79%, 40%. Then in fritters, onion fritters topped with 46%. South Indian foods, dosa topped with 82%. Then Chinese food, chow mein topped with 32.5%. After that, momos with 20.5%. In North Indian products, pav bhaji topped with 41%. After that, chole bhature with 33%. Then in non-veg products, biryani topped with 33.5%. Then in egg products, omelette topped with 32%. In Bihari products, bati chokha topped with 86.5%. Then in dried products, churmura and lai chana had tie with 35% each. So, in descriptive analysis, in this present study, most participants were from Uttar Pradesh, male, young, and they were studying. We can see the choropleth map because of the unavailability of Prayagraj district shapefile with Allahabad Taluka. Allahabad Taluka is shown as a circle. We can see the most of the respondents belong to the Allahabad Taluka, after that Karchna. For the products, the samosa products, centroid is there, and we can see that respondents from Allahabad Taluka liked the samosa most. After that Karchna, but Allahabad Taluka people liked to purchase their samosa product from Allahabad Taluka only, but Karchana respondents liked to purchase from Allahabad Taluka too. So this map was showing residing taluka of respondents. As we can clearly state from choropleth map that majority of respondents belong to the taluka Allahabad. Centroid show liking samosa product is the highest in Allahabad taluka, and frequency histogram legend shows frequency of purchasing samosa products from same area is highest in Allahabad taluka. So conclusion, in this research, assessment of choice was carried out in different street foods of Allahabad. The survey was conducted in order to determine about the street food products, and the responses were analyzed in this study. So we can say that samosa products were the most popular street food products, and the most popular place of purchase was Lakshmi Chauraha Hing Samosa. This samosa, hing samosa, is the most popular among samosa, but there is no standardized recipe of it. In the absence of or lack of standardization, these local products don't do as much business as they can with the standardized recipe and franchisee. So this research recommends standardization of recipes of popular street foods of Prayagraj. Thank you.